So in the second workshop for the foot and ankle, we're going to this time have more of a focus towards the ankle and specifically the lateral aspect. So again, we're going to have an even broad contact over the foot with a 50% stretch and 50% overlap, and then incorporating the ankle. And once we're happy with this, as always, checking capillary refill to make sure that we haven't applied it too aggressively and there's still ample blood flow making its way to the extremities. As always, wrapping from the most furthest away part and then towards the midline of the body, or distal to proximal, depending on the terminology that you like to use. So once we're happy here, we will then tie off and then we can perform a stretch or a mobilisation with the floss in place. A personal favourite of mine, whether incorporating flossing or not, is the lateral ankle stretch. So what we're going to do here is invert the ankle and provide a little bit of pressure through with the body weight. Not too much, just enough to produce a nice stretch sensation. And we can either hold this in position or we can perform it in a pulsing manner where we will hold the stretch for 3 to 5 seconds and pulse on and off like so. Again, putting through a small bit of body weight to produce a desired stretch.